Hey, welcome back to the shop here, Basin Motorsports Upholstery. Now, last year I started upholstery. You guys have seen on the channel. I did my Corvette, a few other things. Well, yesterday I bought out a retired, I should say, upholstery shop and brought home a load. So you can see my table. If I kind of go over there, my table is empty right now. And in between jobs right now, waiting on some material to come in for some captain's chairs for an RV that I took in a couple days ago. So I got to fill up that table. We're going to go get the load out of load number 1 of at least 2 to clear out this upholstery shop. So let's see what we got. I really don't know. Here's kind of a preview of what you can see is in there. Lots and lots and lots of stuff. So foam on the right there, lots of material, zippers. I don't even know. I didn't load all this myself, so a lot of the stuff I'm going to be surprised by when I get in there, but that's the back of it. I'll show you all the way up here. It's literally all the way up to, I can get focus there, literally all the way up to the front seats. So that's 8 feet deep all the way of stuff. So let's start getting this unpacked, see what we got. All right, so I might as well just start showing you guys what it is because it's going to pile up and be hard to show. So this right here are buttons and have button tools, presses, tools to make it. So there's all your button pieces there. This is a fastener bin full of fasteners. There's the diagram to show you what they are. A couple boxes of seat springs so far, listing, and then this whole box is just binding, vinyl binding or other pieces. So you got all kinds of colors, black, blue. There's a brand new one, not even opened up, 50 yards of this blue. Hard to believe. Let's get the next stuff out. Okay, here's a few more things out. You have a big roll of heavy-duty zipper. That's about 900 yards of welt cord. That roll is 1,000 initially. I don't know how much is off of it, so I'm going to say 900. And then you've got 3 colors of welt, and I know that that is just the tip of what's in the truck. I haven't got the rest out. And then this is the vinyl. Blues, blacks, browns, grays, orange, teal, turquoise, all kinds of stuff. Now remember, this guy retired in 1994, so all this stuff is way old. That stuff right here is 1958 Chevy Biscayne Blue. So that tells you all these kind of fun colors. More to go. All right, here's going to be the last of our materials, and some of it's going to be behind me, and I'll just kind of tell you what it is. But there's some carpet behind me. There's some other, I think it's wind lace. I'm not even sure what some of the stuff is, but there's a complete roll of, that's just, I want to say shrink wrap. I don't know what is in there, but it's usable for something. You've got 2 boxes there of cutoffs, original seat covers. I'll have to figure out what they are. This is all clear vinyl here. It says it was made in Japan. You have your buttons, you have your other pieces, more material. I'll have to figure out what those go to. That is the rest of the listing, the welting. There's another full thing of 1,000 yards or so of welting. I don't know if I'll ever use that in my lifetime. You've got a couple Detroit books. You have all kinds of wind lace back there, and then the vinyl here. Now again, this is literally half of what I'm getting. This is the first load of it. So here we are, trying to put all the stuff together, and then over there I've got some foam and an extra steamer. That's a J3 model next to the J4000 I just bought. So figure that out, huh? Need a steamer, bought a new one, get one in this deal. So I'll at least have 2. So now I need to go back tomorrow and get the other stuff. I'll show you what it looks like when I get it home. All right, so here's the next load. This is the last load coming in. This is all cloth. So this is all original stuff. A lot of stuff, I'm not even sure what's in here yet, but we're going to find out. Let's get some of this unloaded. All right, and if everything unloaded, my shop is completely overrun with stuff. As you'd expect, I still got to go through all of this stuff, but that's carpeting. There's some seats and some other things that are headed out the door when the customers pick them up. But I've got to go through all these bins and then start cataloging these cloths. So you can see I've already started hanging up some things on the wall. Those are the piping or anything else. You've got some seat springs there. These are just rolls of cloth that I have. Some of them I could identify. The other stuff is just base stock I'll just keep in here. Now, while this might seem kind of crazy to do that, part of the reason to buy out another shop that had retired was to obviously get a lot of inventory for a discounted price. Some of these things, these cloth rolls, I could sell for 20 to 30 yards or more per yard. And some of that stuff, I have 10 yards of it. So you've got a couple $100. I bought all this stuff for $1,000 and I plan to resell most of it and use what I can. So I've already started using some of the stuff. The seat behind me has some, I guess, piping or welt cord that I got in this deal that I've already started using. So that's kind of a look at what I bought. If you guys need material, hit me up. I can definitely sell a lot of what I have here because I don't have a use for it yet. So that's it. I'm looking at buying out another shop. Man passed away. His wife is trying to sell off all of his upholstery shop. It's about 2.5 hours away. So I might get into looking at that and see what they have. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by.